I'm not tipping his ass.
How is the aliens? How are the aliens? Calling all aliens.
I'm not tipping this dude.
Same
Nothing.
here. Same here.
I'll video you all night and you're not getting a penny. Well, at least it doesn't say no tips for videos or whatever. Yeah. Razor. Where? I used to have one.
I had a T-Mobile wing.
I'm just gonna go blatantly. So what you got going on here, dude? It's a video. It's a video.